Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine. Currently we are discussing about the natural disasters and we had talked about the floods and flash floods, and today we are going to discuss about droughts and earthquakes. Alright, then let's start. शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. As you know, जो natural disasters है, these are the extreme events that occur from the natural processes or phenomena of the earth, and these natural disasters cause widespread damage to the life, property and the environment. And among natural disasters, जो drought and earthquakes है, they represent two fundamental different categories of hazards. Like जो droughts है, these are the slow onset disasters जो कि develop होते हैं gradually over a long period of time, while जो earthquakes हैं, these are the sudden onset disasters जो कि occur होते हैं without any warning that causes immediate devastation. So despite their differences, both ये जो disasters है, they have severe social, economic and environmental consequences, and both require effective preparedness and mitigation strategies. ठीक है. First of all, talking about the droughts. Drought जो है, these are also called as the creeping crisis. जो drought है, it is basically a prolonged period of abnormally low rainfall that is relative to the long-term average of any region, which leads to the water scarcity. And unlike floods, cyclones and earthquakes, जो droughts है, they do not have a clear beginning or end. And जो gradual development है droughts की, that makes them difficult to detect early and to manage effectively. So because of this slow progression, जो droughts है, इनको often consider किया जाता है as the creeping disasters. और जो droughts है, they affect large geographical areas and they remain continue for months or even for years, जो कि इम्पैक्ट करते हैं एग्रीकल्चरल, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाई, इकोसिस्टम्स एंड लाइवलीहुड्स. एंड ये हमें बहुत ही डिस्ट्रक्टिव देखने को मिलते हैं, स्पेशली इन एग्रेनियन एंड सेमी एरिड रीजन्स. एंड देयर आर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ ड्राउट्स. और जो ड्राउट्स है, इनको क्लासीफाई किया जाता है बेस्ड ऑन देयर इम्पैक्ट्स एंड द स्टेजेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. लाइक जो फर्स्ट टाइप है, दैट इज मेटीरियोलॉजिकल ड्राउट. मेटीरियोलॉजिकल ड्राउट्स जो है, दीज ड्राउट्स आकर जब रेनफॉल जो होता है वो बहुत ही कम होता है दैन द एवरेज रेनफॉल फॉर ए रीजन ओवर ए स्पेसिफिक पीरियड. और यह हमें फर्स्ट स्टेज देखने को मिलता है ऑफ एनी ड्राउट. एंड ये इसको डिफाइन किया जाता है विच डिफरेंटली ऑकर अक्रॉस डिफरेंट क्लाइमेटिक रीजन्स. एंड जो रेनफॉल है, दैट remain very low of even 20 to 25% that can trigger drought conditions in vulnerable areas. Second जो है, that is agricultural drought. Agricultural drought जो है, it occur जब soil का जो moisture है, that became insufficient to support crops and pasture growth. और ये directly affect करते हैं food production and farmers के income को. And even अगर rainfall जो है, that also occur जो poor timing और जो high evaporation rates है, that can still cause agricultural drought. ठीक. थर्ड जो है, that is hydrological droughts. Hydrological drought जो है, it is basically a process जो जिसमें जो सरफेस या जो ग्राउंड वाटर रिसोर्सेज हैं वो रिड्यूस होती हैं, वो हमें कम देखने को मिलते हैं, सच एज रिवर्स रिजर्वायर्स, लीक्स या एक्वाफायर्स. एंड ये यूजुअली डेवलप होते हैं आफ्टर प्रोलॉन्ग्ड मेटीरियोलॉजिकल एंड एग्रीकल्चरल ड्राउट्स. एंड ये जो टाइप है ड्राउट का, इट बेसिकली अफेक्ट द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाई, इरिगेशन एंड हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर जनरेशन. ठीक है. फोर्थ जो है, दैट इज सोशो इकोनॉमिक ड्राउट. सोशो इकोनॉमिक ड्राउट जो है, इट आकर जब वाटर स्कैरसिटी जो है, दैट बिगिन, और वी कैन से वाटर शॉर्टेज जो है, दैट आकर जो कि अफेक्ट करती है सप्लाई एंड डिमांड ऑफ द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. like for example socio-economic droughts जो है, that are like rising food prices, unemployment of agricultural laborers, reduced industrial output and energy shortages. एंड जो टाइप है ड्राउट का, इट ऑल्सो हाईलाइट्स a link between the drought and the human systems. Now talking about the causes and consequences of droughts. First talking about the causes of droughts, which include climate change, like जो rise है global temperatures का when it increase, जो it leads to the further evaporation rate जो है that increase, जो सॉइल का मॉइस्चर होता है दैट रिड्यूसेस, एंड इट आल्सो alter it change the rainfall patterns which increase the drought frequency and the intensity. Then deforestation जो है it is also one of the major cause of drought, like which include removal of forest cover जो कि disrupt करते हैं वाटर साइकिल को, जो कि reduce करते हैं rainfall को, एंड जो कि also accelerate करते हैं soil moisture loss को. Then our extraction of groundwater, like जो excessive use है groundwater का for irrigation industry and for domestic purposes, it lowers water tables and worsens the drought conditions. Similarly, climate phenomena जो है it's also one of the major cause of drought, like जो events है like El Nino, it also alter the atmospheric circulation and rainfall patterns which also cause drought in many parts of the world. Similarly, poor water management like inefficient irrigation practices जो है, या water wastage practices, या lack of storage infrastructure जो है, these practices also leads to the intensity of drought impacts. Now talking about the consequences of droughts, there are various consequences of droughts like environmental impact, like जो droughts है it leads to the soil degradation and desertification, loss of vegetation and biodiversity, increased risk of forest fires, drying up of wetlands and water bodies. Similarly, human and economic impact की अगर हम बात करें, it's also one of the major consequences of droughts which leads to the crop failure and food shortages, famine and malnutrition, livestock deaths, mass migration, or we can say environmental refugees, conflicts of water and land resources, and also decline in rural economy. So droughts जो है they disproportionately affect the poor and vulnerable communities, especially in developing countries. Now talking about the mitigation and management strategies for droughts, there are various mitigation and management strategies for droughts which include water conservation, which include various techniques like rainwater harvesting, drip and sprinkler irrigation, reduction of water wastage. Similarly, sustainable agriculture जो है it is also one of the major strategy which include the cultivation of drought resistant crop varieties, crop diversification, improved soil moisture management. Similarly, afforestation and reforestation जो है it is also one of the major strategy, like जो afforestation when we grow more and more trees, और जो trees हैं they help in retain the soil moisture, recharge groundwater, and they also regulate the local climate. Then groundwater management, like which include the regulation of bore wells, artificial recharge techniques, etc., and also the early warning systems and planning, like it include drought monitoring, crop insurance schemes, and community-based drought preparedness. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now talking about the earthquakes, which is also called the shaking of the earth. जो earthquake है, you may know it is a sudden shaking of the earth's surface, which is mainly caused by the release of accumulated energy in the earth's lithosphere, and ये जो energy है it travel in the form of seismic waves which leads to the ground motion. और जो earthquakes हैं they occur suddenly and without any warning, which makes them among the most destructive natural disasters. Even short duration earthquakes जो हैं that can cause massive loss of life and infrastructure damage. Okay. Now talking about the causes of earthquakes, there are various causes of earthquakes which include, first जो है that is tectonic plate movements, like बहुत सारे earthquakes जो हैं that occur along plate boundaries, जहाँ tectonic plates जो हैं that interact like जो convergent boundary plates हैं that collide, या जो divergent boundary plates हैं that moves apart या जो ट्रांसफॉर्म बाउंड्रीज हैं इन विच जो प्लेट्स हैं दैट स्लाइड पास ईच अदर. सो ये जो स्ट्रेस है दिस स्ट्रेस बिल्ड्स ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड इट इज़ सडन, जब इसको सडनली रिलीज किया जाता है व्हेन रॉक इज फ्रैक्चर विच कॉजेज द अर्थक्वेक. सिमिलरली next cause जो है that is volcanic activity. Like if we talk about the volcanic activity which include the movement of magma beneath the earth's surface, it can also trigger volcanic earthquakes, usually localized and less powerful. Then human induced earthquakes जो है that also occur like certain human activities जो है that are responsible for the various seismic events like deep well injection or we can say fracking या लार्ज स्केल माइनिंग या कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ लार्ज डैम्स या रिजर्वायर इंड्यूस्ड सिस्मिसिटी जो है. सो दीज आर दी सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ ह्यूमन इंड्यूस्ड अर्थक्वेक्स एज वेल. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेजरमेंट ऑफ अर्थक्वेक्स. जो अर्थक्वेक्स है इनको मेजर किया जाता है थ्रू वेरियस टूल्स. लाइक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द रिचार्ज स्केल. रिचार्ज स्केल जो है इसको स्पेसिफिकली यूज़ किया जाता है टू मेजर द मैग्नीट्यूड of the earthquake, or we can see energy released by particular earthquake. And it's also called as logarithmic scale, जिसमें each whole number जो होता है that increase जो कि represent करते हैं 10 times greater amplitude को. And like for example a magnitude 6 earthquake जो है that is 10 times stronger than magnitude 5. Similarly, Mercalli's intensity scale जो है इट्स ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मेजर डिवाइस थ्रू विच जो अर्थक्वेक की इंटेंसिटी है इसको मेजर या ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है, या इफेक्ट जो है अर्थक्वेक के उसको मेजर या ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है. इट रेंजेस फ्रॉम 1 नॉट फेल्ट टू 12 टोटल डिस्ट्रक्शन एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम एपी सेंटर एंड बिल्डिंग क्वालिटी. ठीक है. Now talking about the major consequences of earthquakes. There are various causes of earthquakes. These are immediate effects. Like जो earthquake है it collapses the buildings, bridges. It leads to the loss of life and injuries, and it also leads to the ground rupture and landslides. Similarly, secondary hazards जो है that is also one of the major consequences of earthquake, like tsunamis, undersea earthquakes या fires due to the gas line ruptures या soil liquefaction in waterlogged areas या aftershocks causing further damage. So जो earthquakes हैं they can also cripple the urban centers and they can also overwhelm emergency response systems. Now talking about the personal safety, or we can say what to do during an earthquake. Like there are various measures, personal safety measures that we should adopt during the earthquake. Like we should stay indoors, we should drop cover and hold on, and we should take shelter under a sturdy table, and we should also stay away from the windows, glass and heavy objects. And if we are in outdoors, so we should move to an open area and we should stay away from the buildings, trees and power lines. And if we are in vehicle, we should stop safely away from the bridges and flyovers, and we should remain inside the vehicle until the shaking stops. So ये जो preparedness या ये जो awareness है it can significantly reduce the casualties. ठीक है. I hope it is clear to you. At conclusion, we had learned that कि जो droughts और जो earthquakes हैं these disasters represent two concentrating yet equally devastating natural disasters. While जो droughts as we had discussed, they develop slowly and they primarily affect the water, food and livelihoods. While जो earthquakes है they strike suddenly which causes the immediate destruction of life and infrastructure. And effective disaster management जो है उसके लिए ज़रूरत पड़ती है prevention, preparedness या mitigation strategies की, and also the response strategies that are tailored to the nature of each hazard. While increasing climate vulnerability and human interference जो है in natural systems, जो frequency या जो intensity है such disasters की that is expected to rise. Therefore, sustainable development, scientific planning एंड कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन एंड ऑल्सो द स्ट्रॉन्ग गवर्नेंस जो है वो हमें एसेंशियल देखने को मिलता है टू रिड्यूस सच डिजास्टर रिस्क एंड फॉर ऑल्सो फॉर बिल्डिंग रेजिलेंट सोसाइटीज़। सो गाइज दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा। अगर कोई विदाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखिए। सो दैट इज़ इट। आई होप you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.